Hello everyone. So today I am going to show you how to use an two color LED to change its color and change its brightness. I am going to use this Rotary encoder. It has inbuilt switch and then our main controller, that is Arduino Nano. And we will needed 3 male to male wires and then 5 male to female wires and a breadboard to make a circuit and a Arduino Nano programming table. So first let's put our Nano into our breadboard. After that we have to do the wiring of the LED and as well as the rotatory encoder. So it has 5 pins. The first one is CLK, DT, switch, plus 5 volt and GND. So let's connect the wires. First CLK, and CLK goes to pin number D2 of the Arduino, as you can see, which is this one, D2. After that we have to take another wire. Then we have the DT, and DT goes to D3. So D3 is here. After that we have the switch. So after DT we have the switch. So the switch should go to D4. After that we have to take our plus, that one goes to 5 volt of the Arduino, like this. And the last one is the GND, which is ground or negative, goes to negative of the GND of the Arduino Uno, Nano, as you can see. After that we have to take our 2 color LED. This one is green and red color LED. As you can see, it has 3 pins. The first one is minus, then second one is not positive, it is for the red color pin, and the ground is common in this module, and the S means green pin. So first we will take ground goes to ground of the Arduino. Then it has red, and the red color goes to the D5. So D5 is here. After that we have the green color goes to D6. We are taking D5 and D6 because these are PWM capable pins. Now we have to put our LED. After that our circuit is fully completed, as you can see. After that we have to program it, and I have already programmed the Nano. So this goes to here. After that we have to plug it into the Nano, and it is turned on. As you can see, the green LED is glowing. So if I press the inbuilt switch, it will change the color green to red. As you can see, the color is changed to red. If I press again, the color will change into green, as you can see. And if I rotate this shaft, the brightness will increase by 1%, as you can see. And it is same If I press red, and again I can change its brightness. So that's it for now. So thank you.